Tell me, will Louise wait for me, darling?
Savoring his last lechon kawali. No, it's for you. Yalla, take, eat.
It's a really juicy bit.
Nice. Baby, do you love the lechon kawali more than me?
No.
Oh, good.
Wait.
What are we cooking?
I know it's not called crispy batter because it's the wrong cut of meat. What's it called? You didn't warn me.
Because if I warn you, you'd be like, Jay, tungaw. Oy, crispy pata. Crispy Aidan.
There's nowhere to run.
Our house is not that big. Baboy.
Bad girl.
Bad boy.
What's happening there?
What's happening? We're cooking the bad boy. No, we're boiling it. Should we put salt or later?
Later. Do you remember the guy rubbed it down with salt? Although saying that, it's going to be piping hot, so I'm not going to be able to. It's best to pour salt in here now. Quite a lot, just for good measure.
What are we gonna cook?
What's it called again?
Lechon
Lechon
Kawali.
Kawali.
Ow! Oh, you kicked me! Baby abuse!
Abuse. Gago.
What?
Put it in the oven to keep warm. What do you think?
No, it should cool down. That's the purpose of it. You could cook it in the oven. My aunt said you could either deep fry it or cook it in the oven.
Oh no.
If you cook it in the oven, it will be like lechon. The one we had at our wedding. But if it's deep fried, it's like chicharron. Ay. Mamaya. Mategi tayo to eh. Third degree burn.
Mamma mia.
Ay! Ow! Baby, on my head!
I'm sorry, man.
Baby, third degree burn.
Are you okay? Sorry, man.
What's that for?
To keep it warm.
You shouldn't keep it warm. You should let it cool.
Really?
Yeah,
Really?
that's what my aunt said.
What, let it go cold?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, sorry about it.
What's that?
It's pork stock.
Nice. More? No. Now we're gonna put salt and pepper. Peppa Pig. Ay, gago! Shit. Rabbit. Joke. Joke lang. Ay, hot. Ay, putik. Cut this in half.
Yeah. Cola. Tobacco. Simple.
What's this?
Vegetables for the rice.
With the lechon kawalwal. Cooking. What's that?
It's star anise.
For what?
Flavor. Okay, cool. You pop. Satisfying, right?
Ayaw eh.
Feels nice, right? Okay.
Ooh. This is the
Lechon Kawali. Right?
again.
Lechon Kawali.
We are doing the pork cutting ceremony. Beautiful.
Scusi.
Wow.
We'll make a cameo.
Ooh. Look at that baby. Show me. This one.
This one. It's not cooked all the way through. It's still a bit pink, but it's okay. What do you think? More?
Oh my god. We finished the oil.
What do you think? More? Maybe.
Yeah.
If you're doing this, you might as well do it right.
True. Lechon kawalwal. Hot oil. Are you ready for this? Are you ready?
Maybe. We'll see.
Are you ready, lechon kawalwal? Ako, baby, careful ha. I don't wanna be a burnt victim.
Yeah, no, me.
What's that?
Vegetables for the rice.
Wait, we should prepare. What are we gonna use to put this there and guan?
Sharp knife.
Are you ready? Head down. Naku, Dan.
What, fat down?
Yeah, so it crisps up real good. Ay, this could die.
It's not hot enough yet.
Okay. It's in. The chunk kawalwal. Uy, puta! Baby, it's jumping. Oh. Hold on, please. Yum burger. Careful ka na ha. This is your first time cooking this, right? Are you gonna cook this again?
I'd like to if it's a success.
It should be like super duper. Ah, yeah, yeah. Maybe turn it off and then just let it like that. What do you think?
Yeah.
Now it's time for the rice. It's live.
Yeah. Check that.
Yeah. Then that's ready. Then take it out. Maybe let it rest. Careful na.
Just gonna.
Whoa! Look at that. What a beauty.
How much rice do you want? More?
The whole thing. So I just heat it up if I eat it.
Just like that.
Okay. Ay, iba din. Show off yan ah. Alo. Asian stir-fried rice.
Ay, gabi. Okay. What do you think? Done?
Yeah, pretty much. Congratulations. You passed the challenge for today.
Fuck.
Pop. Whoa. Hot? Huh?
It is a bit, but it's nice.
Naku to your finger. I don't wanna eat crispy finger. Ay! Ay, Diyos ko, naku, sayang.
Listen, tell me if it needs anything.
Sarap. This is lechon. Toy, what's this?
Lechon Kawali.
Lechon ponwalwal ala Aidan.
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice yan eh.
You know, what's that guy's name? Bulbul?
Mr. Bulbul.
Mr. Bulbul. If it was not a work day tomorrow, I would have seriously gone Mr. Bulbul all over this.
Tell me, will Louise wait for me,
On the floor?
You can edit that bit out.
What can you say about your lechon kawalwal?
Actually, a really, really great first attempt.
Yeah, you really did well.